Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for terminated accounts on Roblox. So first of all, search for the username directly in the Roblox search bar. If the account is terminated, you will see a message stating that the user is terminated or user not found. You can also check third-party websites or roleplay communities that track terminated accounts for more details. Note, accounts that are terminated will not be visible beyond this indication as their profiles are removed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.